Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting pairing now. Power on the Solo 3 and press the button until the LED flashes. This puts the headphones in pairing mode. On your Android, open Settings, tap Bluetooth and start a scan. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the phone is unlocked so discovery works. Once you see BeatSolo 3 in the list, tap it to connect. Android negotiates a 2DP for media by default. This immediate step gets the devices talking and prepares for codec and audio routing adjustments next. Once paired, inspect the connection details. Tap the device name in Bluetooth settings and ensure it's set as the media audio output, A2DP. If you need lower latency, change the Bluetooth codec in developer options. Make sure you know why you switch it, because not all codecs improve every track. If pairing fails here, clear prior Beats entries and retry pairing. This removes stale links. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth firmware is up to date so profiles and codecs behave predictably during playback. You're at the finish line. Set the Solo 3 as your Android's default media output and play a familiar track to confirm left/right channels, volume, and mic behavior. Make small volume adjustments both on the phone and the headphone controls so audio levels match. If audio drops, stutters, or won't reconnect, reset the headphones by holding the power button 10 seconds, then repair. This clears settings and often fixes weird Bluetooth states. If problems persist, try another phone to isolate device or headphone faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.